Mind, Body and Soul, today I'd like to introduce you to a very, very talented and a very competent lady who happens to be a friend of mine as well, and we've been wanting to get her on the show for a very long time. Her name is Meher Fatma Khan. She's a certified life coach, which is basically NLP master coach. She's a certified timeline therapist, a hypnotherapist, founder of MindWord, and a relationship coach and an MBIT coach and a wholeness coach as well. Wow, what a mouthful. Meher, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
अब आप मेरे ख्याल से इतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें जो मैंने पढ़ी हैं थोड़ा बता भी दें कि क्या है. I think timeline therapist sounds very interesting as well. Tell us.
So, where would you like me to start?
Start with timeline therapist, I think.
Thank you so much for having me today.
Yeah.
I think timeline therapy is all about revisiting a time in your life which is past, connected to that past time, and then one gets to reframe it and realign it and then bring a little bit more clarity towards how you or one would like to go towards the future. So it really just reframes the entire process into something positive or perhaps something better. So creating a different timeline which is a lot more clearer.
Clearer.
Yeah,
okay,
a lot
lovely.
more clearer.
Okay,
filled with a little bit more compassion and perhaps a little bit more learning. You know?
Learning. So, like, would you give me an example of that, perhaps?
So, for example, हमारे बहुत से ऐसे emotions हैं जो कि past में हम किसी experience से गुजरते हैं जिसमें हमारे emotions invested होते हैं, anchor होते हैं, और हम जब उसके बारे में सोचते हैं तो हमें उसी किस्म की फीलिंग होती है. या हम जब उस फीलिंग से गुजरे होते हैं उससे मिलती जुलती ही हम जब उसके बारे में बात करते हैं तो हमें उसी किस्म के इमोशंस महसूस हो रहे होते हैं. So once we go through such a timeline therapy or a technique which is called timeline therapy, जो इसमें बहुत सारे हमारे पास versions हैं, we use them for different purposes. तो उसके बाद one can get a learning from it. तो जब आप उस experience को दोबारा याद करें, one can feel like they have walked out with a learning instead of feeling that feeling of XYZ, dread or burnt.
So basically it's a very clear way to resolve your emotions 100%. By yourself.
Limiting beliefs, unblocking emotions which have really restricted one individual to move forward.
So, Meher, wholeness coach, hypnotherapy or MBIT coach, ये क्या चीज़ हैं?
So MBIT is all about teen intelligences, which is the head, heart and gut.
Achha.
And so how to realign or align them together in order to make better decisions.
Amazing.
And I think wholeness and wholesomeness is all linked together. तो उसका मतलब है कि आप सारी चीज़ों को एक साथ लेके उसको align करें अपनी ज़िंदगी में in terms of strategy, in terms of decision, in terms of thinking. Hypnotherapy is very उसको जो है ना बहुत I think बहुत movie Hollywood sort of when one thinks of that it just kind of it brings you into that space. But it really is also reframing, reframing one's thought processes and allowing one to actually get to another to a space. Right?
अच्छा, so Meher, you've done a number of things. आपको क्या लगता है कि these are the ways in which you have seen improvements in yourself as well? In your entire journey in life, have you felt like as if ये चीज़ें पढ़ के आपको खुद भी कोई फ़र्क पड़ा है?
Oh, absolutely, and what a beautiful question. And I think I feel like I'm a walking, talking book of all of this, together. Because I feel like I have changed as an individual. In the last 5 years, if I were to look back और मैं देखूँ कि मैं 10 साल पहले कैसी इंसान थी और आज मैं किस किस्म की इंसान हूँ, उसमें बहुत फ़र्क है.
Yeah, exactly, and I say that because I've known you long enough to actually bring this up.
That's right.
And it's amazing because लोगों को लगता है आप जब life coaching करते हो तो आप सबसे पहले खुद अपने ऊपर काम करते हो तभी आप लोगों पे काम करते हो.
Absolutely.
है ना? So how has 2024 been for you?
2024 has been the most transformative years of my life. I think if I were to sum it up, I think it's been beautiful as well. Transformative in terms of challenges and all the things that I went through, but also in all the things that I've achieved and so much more to be grateful for.
Amazing, amazing, and that's exactly the correct way to look at it, right? So 3 words to describe the past year for you.
Ooh, love this question. Resilience.
Okay.
Insightful.
Okay.
And empowering.
Okay.
So empowering in terms of empowering myself and empowering others.
Of course, and that is true empowerment.
That is
right?
true empowerment.
Absolutely, very well said.
Absolutely.
Achha, so you know, when you were talking about NLP, and you know, we had a team member who was here
Yes.
as well, and she was saying that NLP is a game changer.
It absolutely
so tell me,
is.
why is it a game changer? I mean, I know about it, but tell our audience.
It absolutely is a game changer, Rija, because NLP is a tool that helps us reframe language, and language is the it's how we speak to the mind, right? हमारे अल्फाज में एक एनर्जी है और वो एनर्जी पैल्पेबल है. पैल्पेबल मतलब हम उसको महसूस कर सकते हैं, राइट? हम जब बोलते हैं, जब किसी के साथ कन्वर्स कर रहे होते हैं या किसी पार्टी में बैठे हैं, किसी गैदरिंग में बैठे हैं, कहीं भी ऑफिस में, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, हमारी अल्फाजों में एक ताकत है, डेप्थ है, गहराई है, एनर्जी है. And so once we recognize that power, I think it just changes the way that we think.
Yeah.
As we change the way we think, we change the way we behave.
Of course.
And as we change the way we behave, our impact on the decisions that we're making changes. And so it's like a ripple effect, right? So NLP is that tool. It's neuro-linguistic programming, which means that it is all about language and how language transforms, uncovers one from their limiting beliefs, their challenges, their way of life and way of thinking.
Absolutely, and I think you couldn't have put it better. I mean, that's very impressively explained as well. But you know, I wonder sometimes कि जब NLP की coaching कर रहे होते हैं, तो it probably takes a long time for people to reprogram their brains, right? To actually reprogram कि अच्छा अगर मैं महर से इस तरीके से सवाल पूछूंगी तो वो probably back foot पे चली जाएगी या defensive हो जाएगी. But अगर मैं इस तरीके से पूछूंगी तो chances are कि वो मुझे बड़े upfront और friendly तरीके से जवाब देगी. Even understanding that, I think takes a lot. तो कितना time लगता है when you're coaching people? How long do you think it takes for them to actually start registering in their brain कि अच्छा I need to change the way I word myself?
I love this question, and I'll tell you why I love this question. It's because जब हम कोई बुरी आदत को adapt करते हैं तो उसमें कितना time लगता है?
Exactly.
Hardly 2 सेकंड लगते हैं ना. 2 सेकंड लगते हैं, right? Just like that, हमारे brain में इतनी capacity है, इतनी strength है, इतनी power है कि हम किसी अच्छी आदत को भी उसी तरीके से adapt कर सकते हैं. Right? It's just the way we look at things. And I think a lot of people come up and they say, यार ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? Challenge करते हैं, right? And I give them that challenge. And I say, fine, let's start work on it. And you tell me by the 5th session. And by the 6th session or the 7th session, they're like, okay, we're done.
Wow.
tell us more, right?
That's
and
amazing.
there's that curiosity is a lot more. And they're like, okay, we want to know more, or I'd like to work on this now, or I'd like to work on this now.
Amazing.
So that's how quickly the mind can and has the capability to adapt.
Amazing.
Different changes.
Amazing. And now that you're saying कि actually coaching does help और लोग इस तरीके से सुनते हैं,